Hi guys, today we've got a Lenovo Yoga 53014L KB, or it's an I, is it? Well, one of the two. This is coming for a battery change, so I'll show you how to take the battery out of it, and also while we're there we'll also check the thermal paste. If that's dry, we'll replace that as well. Right, to get the back off, you're going to need a T4 bit screwdriver. And get a opening tool. All the bits that I'm using today in this video you can get from the links below, including the battery. Wow, that's a big battery, isn't it? Whoa, that is a huge battery. To be fair, the fan, it's got a bit of dust in it. We'll clean that as well. But the battery, yeah, this battery's had it. I've checked in the Vantage app within the software, and it does say the battery health is poor. So first thing to do is just remove the battery connector. It's got a little hook just there. I'm not sure if you can actually see that, but let me show you. I'll give you a bit of a close-up. It's got a hook just there. You can just push it out with that. So if I put it back in again, I'll show you exactly what I mean. Let's put the battery back in. Okay, now if you look there, there you go. See that hook? Just pulls it out. Right, now the battery, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Lift the battery out. So while I'm here, I'm actually going to just make sure, or I'm going to replace the thermal paste. You might as well do this with your machine as well, if you are doing the same thing. Bit of PC or laptop maintenance, that's all it is. Okay, now lift off. Yeah, you can see that was a bit dry actually. So this is part of the fan assembly. So if you remove the fan as well, we've got to clean it anyway, so it's fine. And this should, oh, there's 3 screws, I didn't see that one there. Disconnect the fan connector. And you may also need to remove the coax cables for the Wi-Fi antenna. Just pop them off and they will go through the assembly of the fan. Which is a really strange design actually. Normally it's just pretty straightforward to get them out, but there you want you to hook it underneath the fan. Yeah, as I suspected, look, there's literally nothing on it at all. So we need to replace that paste. First of all, do the cleanup. This fan needs to be taken out of the housing. I want to do that first. So let's take the fan out of the housing. The fan has really tiny screws. So you've got one was there. I've almost lost it. That's how small it is. So one there, and one at the end. There might be one underneath this piece here. Let's have a look. Didn't see that sneaky little one hiding under the cable. Okay, so it's not too bad. I'm just gonna, there's a bit of fluff there, nothing major. Just gonna brush that out. Okay, that's that done. Now also, we can just clean that as well. If you've got an air duster, something like that, you could use that to clean it out. I've got one here, there you go. And that's basically all you need. You don't need to use any sprays or any alcohol. If it's got, you know, a lot of grime in there actually, mind you, this one has got quite a bit in there. If I can get in there, just get in the edges. Let's do it properly, shall we? Okay, that's that done. Put the fan back together. Oh, put it back into the heatsink. Right, I'm going to put it on here so that I can collect the dust or the old thermal paste. Just scrape that off, make sure you don't scratch or damage the heatsink. Okay, and that will collect just there. I'm going to use some IPA just to clean that off. Okay, now where is our patient? Now slowly scrape off the dried thermal paste. That is almost as good as new. we can apply the new thermal paste. I'm using Arctic MX4. Using this for a long time, and yeah, it's good stuff. And that's all you need. Put it into position, just slowly push it down. Okay, make sure it all lines up correctly. Got the white triangle where the grey one goes. Just make sure that you push it in, it clips in, and the black one goes where the black sign is, the black triangle, which is there. Black triangle, black cable, white triangle, grey cable, or white cable if you have a white cable. Okay, so that's all done now, prepared for the battery to arrive. So I'm going to order that now. Again, just to remind you, the battery is available from the link in the description. Right guys, the battery has arrived, and there is a link in the description below for exactly the same battery. So now we can go ahead and put the new battery in. It's pretty straightforward, and the cable's a bit longer. Can you see that? If you look at the original battery, the cable sits just there, and you know, you push the battery and it sits at an angle. But I don't know why they've got such a long cable here. It shouldn't cause us a problem, but I'm just going to put the cable in first. Okay. Why that's come loose. Oh, look at that. Okay, that's pushed down. Push that in its place. You can just twist it around. It ain't going to cause any problems, but just be careful you don't hit any components while doing so. Okay, like that. That's fine. No issues there. And we can go ahead and screw the battery down. So we've done quite well on this one. We've cleaned the fan, we've applied new thermal paste, and also we have added a new, or replaced the battery. Perfect. Okay, now what we can do is just turn it over. You can leave it as it is, it's fine. Just make sure that the battery lights do come on when it charges. So we plug in the battery here, the charger here. That charging light has now decided to come on. Machine's powering on now with the backlights are coming on. There you are. And if you look at the charging symbol, the charging symbol is there as well. So it's good. I'm going to unplug the charger and make sure the actual laptop stays on with just the battery connected. Yeah, absolutely fine. Obviously it's very low. I think they've got the setting on where it's in like a battery saving mode. Well, that's all done now. Hope you like the video, and all I'm doing now is just clean the keyboard up with a bit of alcohol on a cloth and wipe it, and I'll make it like new. But thank you for watching.